we're dealing with an extremely large package of land in the Timmins camp with gold production in the order of 70 plus million ounces over the course of the last 115 years. And you're also augmented by the Kidd Creek mine, which was discovered in '63 by Texas Gulf Sulfur. And it's produced in the order of about 160 million tons of good grade base metals, copper, lead, zinc, silver, and it's been in production continuously now for almost 62 years. The advantage of the Project 81 area is that it's located 3 kilometers immediately north of the Kidd mine. And the Kidd mine is what would be considered a mega deposit, a mega VMS deposit. And normally associated with those mega VMS deposits are satellite deposits. And those satellite deposits could be anywhere within the 30-kilometer radius of that mine. And it could have a tonnage anywhere in the order of 30 to 50 million tons. The bulk of the concentration of exploration that was carried out in the 60s and 70s was to the southern part of the Project 81 area, principally in Lucas and Carnegie townships. What we've been able to do is take all of the data that was produced by Inco, Noranda, Falconbridge, McIntyre, Porcupine, and others, and have Oryx Geoscience compile all of that historic data, drill data, geophysical data, combine it with modern data that we have put together, and as a result, build the project area into what we call a project generator model, where we bring in additional partners to carry out the next risk level, which is in the drilling phase. And we feel we've got a number of very exciting projects that will be coming down the road over the next little bit.